Hi everybody, today is product photography day and I have acquired some different box sets to make photography of. I've put a blanket outside my balcony which reflects the light in order to have a bit better and a bit more light for the product photography. Now, for example, I have this list of the combinations I would like to have, and I follow the list, and as you see, folks, this is kind of my new product photography studio. Okay, so I used to have this studio set up in a not movable way. This is a movable studio now already. Before I set this up in one of the corners of my room on one working kind of table, and that corner was not very good light. I needed to come to this opposite corner for better lights compared to, you know, my balcony and the setup of the room and everything. And now it's much better for me, also much easier, much faster, because in that corner it wasn't very good, and for me the angle from where I had to make the pictures was not good. And so this way I make much faster the photo photography, smoother and easier and more nicer for myself also. And I enjoy making these photos now. So for example, now it's a 3-box set. The third one I haven't pictured from 3 sets I had to do, and that's this one. That's a box 2.2 inches by 1.2 by 1.2 inches. Then this one is 175 inches by 125 inches by 1 inch height, and the other one is 1.5 inch wide long by 1 inch wide and 0.75 inches high. Okay, so I will make this set next. Then I start and continue with 4-box sets, folks, 5-box sets, 6-box sets, 7-box set. This is a 1. Then I have one 8-box set and one 9-box set. I already have available on my website one 9-box set and one 10-box set. So another will be coming 9, and another 10 box sets will be coming, and of course other combinations that I will choose myself also, that are gonna be boxes from standard 1-inch scale or 1/12 of the scale Dollhouse miniatures. Some of them are standard sizes like these things here, but I have also some of my own kind of random sizes I have created, and I will have a mixture from my random sizes and the mixture of course of these standard sizes. So there will be quite a lot of different combinations of box sets, and of course, as I told you, in the coming week or two I will also have these in light brown variations and different combinations of them, then dark brown. So I'll have also other colors in the future. So I'll have to make a lot of product photography and a lot of product listing on the website. But anyway, yesterday I had these random sizes finished. Those two. I need to finish the cup for this one. You can see my details which help the cup be stronger. First of all, look kind of better and cuter, and these things, these details, just help secure the cup on the lid on its position. So this lid I haven't finished with these 2 details yet, but later when I craft later today I'm gonna finish that one, because now I use the light, folks. Soon it's gonna be raining probably for an hour, from 1 hour from now or something, but it's getting cloudy a bit and the light will not be good all the time. And so I use now the moment to make as much product photography as I can. Now you can see the light, a small cloudy, is coming near the sun. Now the light is not perfect. You know, whenever you don't have a full sunshine outside and you make your product photography, it's you just losing your time to make the photography anyway, because you have to edit the photos after that. Anyway, you edit the photos all the time, because even with the proper light, after the downloading of the pictures, they are a little bit of dull or just a little bit of darker than they should be. So I edit them anyway with the brightness. I give them more brightness to become similar to the real color and the coloring we see with our eyes in the real world. So it's very important for your product photography, you know, to indeed use the light outside when it's fully sunshine outside, and you have to be very near the sunshine, where the sunshine is ending and the shadow is starting. Your product photography should not be made under the direct sunlight, never ever. You have to be very near the direct sunlight, and right after the first shadow coming next to this light, you make the product photography there, okay? That's very important rule if you like to have some advice for product photography, of course. I know some of you will need this advice. So I'm gonna make some product photography now, folks. And thank you for watching. Later today I will be also crafting, probably starting painting some furniture like this. Need to paint them in light brown already. Also this palette will be coming light brown variation. My other round tables and one small side end table, that's square one, will also be painted. Also probably will craft later today when it's not good sunlight already. Also will have to list products, so I have a lot of tasks today until late evening. I'm gonna be working hard on my website and on these new projects with Dollhouse miniatures. So I use my small Nikon Coolpix. This is not paid advertising. This is very old. This has been bought in 2013. So 13 years ago, my brother bought this for me. So thank you, my brother, Milusz. I love you, bro. He bought this for me. This was my first ever digital camera with which I started picturing my product photography. Back then I was student in Sofia city. When I was starting ExiArts in 2013, my brother bought this for me and he helped me a lot. So all the pictures on my website at ExiArts.com are made with this kind of soap. We call these soap photographer photo cameras. So it is 13 years old. It's a little bit the lid here for the batteries, the cap for the batteries is a bit broken, and I have put a bit of duct tape, but it's working like always perfectly for me, making great photos and great product photography photos. So yeah, indeed, all and every product on our website has been made with this Coolpix Nikon, very tough one. Okay, folks, thank you for watching. It is with a display, yeah, 13-year-old one. Thanks for watching, folks. Please like and share this video, comment below what you think, and follow us or subscribe, whatever, depending where you watch this video. But most of all, all the videos I make, I post on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. So thank you everybody who supports us either on the YouTube channel or the other social media. Thank you so much, folks. I go to work now hard. Since the light is off now for a bit of time, I'm going to do some crafting between the times until the time comes with better lighting. I will continue with the product photography then. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Cheers, folks.